Okay, so if you are doing your own self-timer photo shoot, there's some things you're gonna need. You're obviously gonna need a camera source. So whether you have your DSLR or your phone, there's two different options for how you can use it as a self-timer without having to run back and forth between the camera. So if you have a DSLR, you may or may not know if it has Wi-Fi capabilities. If it does, it'll be in the menu settings and it'll say Wi-Fi. You're gonna click on it and you are going to enable the Wi-Fi. Then you're gonna go to your phone and you're gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. So mine is called Nikon. Then after it's connected, you can download an app. If you have a Nikon, it's called Nikon WMU. And then it connects to your camera and you can use your phone as the remote. So that way you can stay in the setting, you can see how it looks because you have the live view of your camera right on your cell phone, and you can set the self-timer on there. So when you press it, you have 3 seconds to put your phone down and get into position. If you don't have a DSLR and you're using your phone as your camera, then if you also have an Apple Watch, you can take your photo from your Apple Watch. So you're gonna open your camera on your phone, and then you're gonna open the camera app on your watch. Once you have that open, you can see this 3-second right here, and it's gonna take the photo in 3 seconds. And it takes a burst. It takes 10 photos. So that way if you blink, you're gonna have one photo where your eyes are open.